Yo, what's going on, y'all? Alex Jenkins checking in. We are doing an update on Bitcoin. All right, so last time we spoke, it came up and made this move. It did come test 55. It did break it, but it didn't quite make it back down. So this was the opportunity, for buyers to come in the market and catch some profit with Bitcoin. But I do expect Bitcoin to move to the upside a little bit more before it decides to fall again. I don't think it's gonna make it to this price target yet. It's not coming back to that high yet. So you got to be patient with it. So let's get a trend line drawn on this thing. Well, let me go to the chart here. It got to make it up into this trading area to move to the next price target. But right now, it's gonna struggle to do that. So I'm expecting it to go to let's see here. More short sellers will enter the market. When are the short sellers entering the market? When will they do that? They'll be coming around about these parts. They'll be coming around about these parts here. 9,000, just short of 60,000. We're gonna get a box here drawn. I believe it might not make it to this area, guys. To be honest with you, we'll see what happens. It may come to this area and resist and come back and fall back down. So we gotta, continue to look at these support levels where it may fall back at. It might come back, try to make a run down here. Try making it get. You might get one more opportunity to get in this thing before it take off again. We'll see. Or it might pop up in here, stay in this little trading area, then decide to get up out of there. So just got to be aware of what's going on. So I think that's pretty much what Bitcoin is about to do over the next few weeks. All the Jenkins checking out, y'all. Another thing, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.